Pathological fantasies of a million OZs, inhalational OD, ecstasy, codeine, slow beam vision of life in and out of prison, impressionable wisdom. Struggle your zone, son.
Man, fuck a rapper, fuck his crew, and fuck the label that owns them. I take it there. State of affairs has got me jonesing for a real hit to get me lit and immobile. Promos cross the global, but most are lacking in vocals. They don't suffice. That's why we must heist. There ain't no substance in your cup. There's just a whole bunch of crushed ice. I buy 2 Just Ice box sets before I'll have a copy of that obnoxious shit, or even pay to see you rock your shit. I lost my grip on the hope I carry, but you lost reality when I grabbed the mic and broke your cherry. Mission, ignore the bullshit out of existence. Alas, overruled, cause they got the masses twisted.
I wonder if God'll have any pity on MCs, or if he'll just judge them as being average human beings. Some ain't seeing the faults, others become part of a rapper caught in a way to be placed in the back of a vault. The black angel can't be caught stalking. Sometimes you can feel him when you're walking, listening when you're talking. Thine eyes is keener than a falcon. Excuse me for gawking, I think I seen your face before in a coffin. Or maybe I robbed you while we were golfing. Like Ophion, jet back off to the loft where we count the software. Life is always false, never fair. So there's no type of amusement to take music out of my head.
I grew up psychotic, but I kept the shit in the closet. Reading magazines about scoping and killing targets. That's why I'm harsh with any individual who wants to test the lyric tail. Melagale, I ring bells and swing rails over the crowd, trying to scout to the mic. Who can envision my living? Having sessions throughout the night. Why get excited when I see these fake MCs styling? Cancel contracts are piling. Niggas be jiving, telling lies and fibs about the life you live. You must be high off this drama in a trifling biz. I strike your shit and bring about violent currencies, cause I'm merciless. Suck on a nipple just for preservatives.
Accurate attack, smack niggas back. Millennium is militant tactics. Attract black youth to my Tiananmen Square. Cinnamon brown skin, 4-point square. Assault mechanisms, I stagger with air through the record bits. Oblivious to foul shit, hella corporate. Dig dug helium mentality, nigga forfeit. Jewels, royalty, car keys, G's and gormand. Deadly dormant, ass naked out your apartment complex. Niggas are starving, principality normally fade.